Alright, so I got the Sony FDR-X3000 action camera, and today I have it set to 4K video quality, and we're going to do the dirt bike testing. So let's take a look and see what we're up against. Yeah, I know, it's a disaster. And there's the dirt bike. Now, I have no idea if this thing's going to start. Hopefully it does. If that doesn't start, maybe this quad will start, but all the tires are flat. The other quad up front is my brother's. Worst case, I guess I can try the snowblower and see if that engine vibration reduction device, works. But I'm thinking I might be able to get my dirt bike to start. So, all right. So as you can see, I am on the no maintenance plan with my dirt bike. I really don't do anything to maintain this thing other than put gas in it. So, that's why it looks like it does. Gotta pull a choke out. Not sounding good, Layla. Alright guys, clearly the no maintenance plan on the dirt bike has not panned out because I can't start that thing. I'm like out of breath. I tried kicking it for like 20 minutes. It's not starting, but this thing started. So I just put air in the tires and I'll take the quad for a ride. No big deal. So I'm going to mount it to the handlebar right about here, I'm thinking. And I'll adjust it, aim forward. Alright, now I got this thing mounted here, and the camera's going to go on top. We'll see how it does. Alright, so it does look a little bit better with this vibration absorber unit on here. It's still not that good though, on the quad itself. So I'm thinking on like a street bike or something that doesn't quite vibrate as much, it would definitely work a lot better. But in this case, the two-stroke, it's really, really shaky. Well, it's definitely fair to say that this footage looks terrible. The quad is vibrating way too much. The tires are out of balance, and I have it attached to the handlebar, so it's almost like directly connected to the unbalanced, steering mechanism, and that's resulting in just horrible wobbling here. So I'm just going to stop this at this point because this just looks terrible. Burnouts are always fun. Layla's strapping up. Oh yeah. I gotta strap up. Good job, buddy. Did it all by yourself. Excellent. There we go. Hey! On the lift! I got Layla! We got our snowboards on. Oh yeah. Gonna hit up the slopes. See how it goes. I'm recording you! Uh-oh. You might have to hit up Manny's, Layla. Alright, here goes Layla. Whoa! She's flying! Yeah, so the wind noise is pretty brutal on this camera when going downhill like this. So it really needs some kind of foam or something in front of the microphones, I was thinking, just to, buffer the wind a little bit. Or an external mic, of course, would do the trick, but you don't really want to expose it to the elements, You're getting better every time. You want to say something to the camera?
Since it's a Friday, there was so much space inside that there was enough table for my dad to have his own table and me to have our own table. Because it's a Friday and most people are working or in school. But today I was off for some reason.
We're both off.
Yep.
All right. So I just wanted to show you some footage in 4K, you know, on the highway on the way home, so you can get an idea. If you want to use this as like some kind of dash camera situation. I'm gonna pass a tractor trailer in a second, so you get a look at that, see what that looks like as I go by. Again, it's pretty dark, and you can see, I guess that it kind of looks like more accurate now that I'm looking at it. I stopped at the light here. You could tell, you can see my headlights and everything on the car. All that honking is. People be honking.